going to do a harder trick in hopes that you'll tip more than a buck. No, if you're a Republican, 10 bucks will prove the trickle-down theory works. If you're a Democrat, cash isn't the only dream I accept. I need some money and all those guys took off.
So that's all right?
Guys, one last thing. I'm a juggler, not a magician. If he's flying towards your face, it's no illusion. All right, here we go. So the first time I saw a guy juggling razor-sharp machetes on a giant unicycle, I was so impressed, I forgot to clap too.
Yeah!
That's I promised you a trick I don't normally do in my show. So I'm going to do it right now, since you got here late. All right. Next time, if you're going to be late, you have to call first. I don't want to ground you. All right, here we go. Guys, I'm going to try and under the leg. This trick not only endangers me, but future generations of broke people. Sir, can you get your hands out of your pockets? There's kids here. Here we go, guys. You want to see me do it? Say, just do it.
Just do it.
If you had a good time, say yeah.
Yeah.
You're going to give me 20 bucks, say yeah.
Yeah. That's binding.
Hey, in my house, that's what we talk. All right, here we go, guys. I've never done it when it's this flat. Come on. There's a joke in there somewhere, but I'm leaving it alone. All right, here we go. One, 2,